All right, let's make some mozzarella sticks, because who doesn't love fried cheese, right? Now, beat an egg for your egg bath. You're going to need that. Seasoned flour, coat your mozzarella in it, roll it around. There you go. Prepare your breading, panko, Parmesan. 50-50, roughly. It'll work out. Don't stress about it. Mix it up good. All right. Put your cheese sticks in the egg, and now you're gonna put in the breading. Mix it up, and what's next? Oh, we're gonna rinse and repeat. Put those cheese sticks back in the egg, back in the breading, roll them around again. Make sure you cover it. You want a nice protective layer around your cheese stick, kind of like a barrier protecting that cheese stick from the elements. Give it a little bit of seasoned flour, and then pop in the freezer for at least an hour. All right. Test your oil. Drop a little piece of panko in there. It should sizzle up immediately. Like that, you know your oil is ready to fry. These will only take about 2 minutes. And then you're really just waiting until they turn nice and golden brown like this. Then you're gonna pull out on time, as always. And then you're gonna drain them on a paper towel, and then you're gonna plate them up with some mozzarella and not mozzarella, marinara. There we go. I can't talk, speech impediment. Serve, enjoy. Ciao, ciao.